going to be talking about how to program the wireless LM171 keypad, which is here. We're going to be programming it to the KZB13 control board. Basically, we're going to start off with the keypad. When the keypad is not programmed to that control board, we're going to be using the default code that comes with the keypad, which is 1 1 and then left arrow. You're going to get that noise coming out of the keypad that basically is telling you that the keypad is not completely registered to that control board. And how we're going to do that is there's a little learn button that's sitting right on top of the little dip switches, the little red and white dip switches here. You're going to press that button there, let it go, press the 1 1 and the arrow to the left, then 1 1 arrow to the left. And if you notice this, the second time around it picked up the code off the keypad. So if you hear it closely, you're going to notice the difference in the beeping on the control board. And you also get a clicking noise coming out of the control board that's telling you that that keypad is registered, and it's, you know, if there was a gate opener installed to the gate opener, to the control board, you'll get the gate opener to operate. Alright, so now this keypad is actually pretty nice. You can use that same keypad and operate two separate gate openers if you like. For the illustration here, so we don't take too long, we're going to be showing you just one channel or one gate operation. So basically right now you got the keypad learned the control board. Now I'm going to teach you how to remove the default code and place your own code, which you can put in up to 8 digits. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab you're going to press the 0 left key, remove left key, and then the 0. You're going to put in 1 1 left key, and then say for example we're going to use 1 2 left key, 1 2 left key. Alright, so and the reason why I did it a little quicker or a little quick is you got to make sure the light doesn't turn off on the keypad while you're setting the code or changing it. Otherwise you got to start all over. That last beep towards the end told me that it picked up the new code, and so now if I press 1 1, that one 1 1 and the arrow key to the left, that does not work. So if I hit the 1 2 and then left key, that now operates the control board. So that's pretty much it on the keypad. Also, there's another video that we have that tells you how to remove and mount onto your gate post. Also how to remove and change the battery on the keypad. Don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and give it two thumbs up on that video, and then also if you like, just go at the bottom of the link and subscribe to our channel. That way every time we have a new video to show, you guys will see it. Thank you. Have a nice day.